We're going to try something new with BlocklyProp today. Here's a piece of code called ActivityBot 360 Do Nothing Beep LEDs. All it does is beep the speaker on the ActivityBot, flash the LEDs on and off, and beep the speaker one more time. Its project code is 50492. Looking in the upper right hand corner, you'll see in the port window that no devices are found. Now we'll go over to the ActivityBot 360 equipped with the WX Wi-Fi module. I'll power up the ActivityBot 360 and we'll come back over and look in the port window, and we should see shortly that there the WX module is now found. When we go back out, we will now load and run to EEPROM our new code. It's showing that the compile succeeded and the download succeeded. Now we'll go over, and I'm just going to restart the code by pressing the reset button. It beeps, flashes the LEDs, and beeps again. It's that easy to wirelessly program an ActivityBot 360 using BlocklyProp. Give it a try.